Open black lens bracket. Main function. Close black lens bracket. The inverter converts 12 volts DC into 110 volts AC. Two AC sockets can charge electrical appliances with a rated power of less than 500 W. And two USB ports can charge mobile phones and tablets. Open black lens bracket. Dual connection mode. Close black lens bracket. In the car, you can use the cigarette lighter plug to connect the car outlet, which can be used for electrical appliances with a power less than 150 W, such as laptops, routers, cameras, drones, air pumps. When the power of electrical appliances between 150 W and 500 W, need to connect the battery by the alligator clips. Open black lens bracket. Travel and emergency equipment. Close black lens bracket. This converter is suitable for road trips, camping, outdoor work. It can also power lights, routers, fans by connecting a deep cycle battery during power outage. Open black lens bracket. Advanced charging protection design. Close black lens bracket. Built-in smart chip and fuse to prevent the device from overheating, overload, overvoltage, undervoltage, short circuit. Open black lens bracket. Tips. Close black lens bracket. The maximum power of the car's fuse is 180 W. It is recommended to use electrical appliances under 150 W in the car. Gets 18 months warranty by purchasing YSOLX 500 W power inverter. Top reviews from the United States. So much quieter than the cheaper units. So much quieter than the cheaper units. It makes a difference when you're relaxing. I bought it for the extra power. Little did I know that it will be so much quieter.